So what's going on, everyone? Today we are going to talk about GameStop, provide an update as to what price is going to do or what we're predicting it possibly could do going forward into the future. As you guys can see, we already did that earlier back in September, mid-September, looking for the stock to go higher. It did. It fell shy of hitting the sell pocket, which happens. But we definitely almost saw price hit that ultimate TP price, but it didn't. All right, so now we want to talk about what happened after the market hit a high of $28.10 on October the 2nd, because something changed. And the reason why I'm telling you something changed is because the dynamic of the spread bars changed. Okay, one thing that you always need to remember is that price goes down faster than it does going higher. Okay, so that's when you can tell the environment is changing in the market. So we're going to talk about that today. So before I get started, hit that like, share, and subscribe for more of my videos and content. We're here to give you all a different perspective, here to work as a team to try to figure out how can we figure out where are these buyers and sellers so that we can pinpoint where price is going to go, all without the confusion. I got thousands of videos on this platform showing you strictly that. So it is possible for you to learn, for you to do on your own to become more proficient and better at forecasting or predicting price action. Let's break it down. Okay, so now you guys can see it. Price went up right there, October the 2nd. If you would get out on the high of that day, 9.5%. If not, getting out right now, you will be down, let's see, about 4.47. Okay, let's go ahead and get rid of that. We're going to update this chart now to reflect where the buyers and the sellers are now. Okay, so just like we created these pockets of sell up here at the top and the buyer pockets at the bottom, we can do that closer to where price has already traveled. Okay, so we can see right here is where a sell pocket is in GameStop. And there may be a couple of more trading like right here, but I'm hesitant in actually drawing them on the chart right now, but it looked like those may be pockets of selling here as well, especially what happened in the market today. As those buyers traveled the price up higher, sellers became more active and they dropped the price down towards the bottom of the bar. Okay, so yeah, this is a logical point of selling right there in GameStop. So the market in what, 6 days has gone from $28.13 all the way down to a low of $24.13. 14.21% or $4 loss right there. Now the question is, we have people here though. We know that we're at a point to where buyers are willing to buy this stock. They did it here and they did it down there. So we're going to look at the charts now to see if those buyers could potentially still buy this stock to try to lift the price. So here it is on the 2 for GameStop. We're still seeing that continuation of selling following the last 6 days, 2, 4, 6 days straight. Price in GameStop has gone down. Okay, cool. That tells us that sellers are the ones moving the price right now. Here it is on the 3. This is a pretty wide spread of selling. When you look at this one bar, it engulfs what so many people use for the candles, the last three-day price bars. That's 9 days total. This market was just traded in this range. And then it finally broke through off of the selling. So again, it just shows you how weak the market is in GameStop, or at least these buyers ain't around right now. They don't like the price here. Okay, so this is the printed and final 3-day price bar here too. Now it is weak, but I mean, we're right in between two pockets of buying. So if we break this down on the hourly chart, yeah, we might see these buyers entering the market now in GameStop to where we'll get the price to begin to go higher. Okay, we might see that on the hourly chart. Look at this on the 4 though. This doesn't change my perspective of, hey, sellers are here. So long term, definitely weakness. Sellers are the ones moving the price down the field. They're controlling it right now. I don't know what to tell you. just to keep it real, we are realists. We have to look at both sides of the market and give proper handling of what price has done to figure out what it's trying to do in the future. Here it is on the 5. Look at the last 5-day bar right there. This is different. This one price bar is glaringly different than the past 4 5-day bars. Something changed. And the only thing that can change is who is controlling the price. Sellers are now the ones controlling the price. It was the buyers before. Now sellers are. Look at this on the weekly. Here it is, Gamestop on the 2 weeks. I don't like the 2 weeks neither. That's very weak. However, we still have a day and 21 hours, so we got like 2 days left. If the market closes down here on the bottom like it is now, yeah, we need to begin to target maybe $23 to $22. I'm just telling you that now. Here it is on the 3 weeks. Look at this on the 5. And GameStop for the month of October. So far, it is not looking too good, but the prior month was great. So that's what I'm saying. This is an opportunity for us to begin to see buyers. So it could kind of go 50-50 in the sense of who is going to take the price and move it. So now look at this on the 11-hour chart. Okay, so now we're trying to figure out, are these buyers here? So we could get rid of this pocket of buying for GameStop because those buyers didn't show up, but they did show up here first. So, okay, that's one hint. We need more hints, more clues to confirm that these buyers are actually here. Just because you get one bounce in the market doesn't confirm buyers are firmly entrenched. They're not moving. Price is going to continue to go higher. We don't have that yet. That's only one time. That's why the market is coming back down on these other 2 11-hour price bars. So here it is on the 5. And that's how you can tell if people are really buying a stock. It's because the price won't come back down to the pocket. Look at this. We didn't get the follow through after the price lifted from this pocket right here. Just like we got that buy signal, the next bar, price quickly reacting, came right back down. The buyers were not up here. They could not eliminate these sellers that's in this pocket. Hold on, let me fix that. Okay, they wasn't there. So it might get another opportunity for us to see the buyers of that pocket of $23, $24. Look at this on the 3. Yeah, that's still showing weakness there on the 3. You can see it right there, hit that pocket. And immediately those sellers begin selling. Okay, look at this on the 1. You guys can see here, buyers took the price, ran across this pocket, price came right back down. Here it's on the 330. So yeah, I'm not sold yet that this stock is finished with going down. I mean, that is starting to go up. I'm not sold on that yet. I'm not sold that these buyers are ready to really grab the price and bring it back up the field. I don't see that yet. So what we're going to do is we're going to look for GameStop to go down, right? We're going to do that. However, I'm paying attention to this area. I want to see more than one time if these buyers are here. And the way that you will tell is on a daily basis, even hourly charts. You can look on the hourly charts and see it too. This market won't go down. It'll hold and then begin to lift. Then automatically you'll see this price break away from the pocket. That is what you want to see, because then it tells you that yes, we are now sitting at a point to where we have a higher confidence that buyers are moving the price. Okay, so we're going to try to target that area first, and then our next target unfortunately will be all the way down here towards the next buy pocket, was around 23, and then our third area would be right there around 22, which is like 10% move down. Okay, I'm not sold on that area that low right now in GameStop, but definitely these first 2 pockets. All right, so that is it. I am done. Let me know your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.